Chapter 5, Setting Opening Hours and Holidays, because we all need a break sometimes. Last time, we learned how to make changes for reservations in our calendar. But you can also change your general opening hours or close your business for a specific period, such as vacations. Rather than editing individual days or services in the calendar, we'll use our settings page, accessed by the small radar icon at the bottom left. You'll see the menu item Opening Hours, Series. Opening hours is clear, but what does series mean? Each service is associated with a series of opening hours. By adjusting a specific service, it is taken out of this series, allowing you to make individual changes. But by adjusting the series, you change the opening hours of all services within that series. This gives you the flexibility to either make exceptions or modify all similar services simultaneously. Under Exceptions, you'll find all the services that have been removed from their series. You can easily place them back into their original series with just one click. We saved the best for last. On the same page, you'll find holidays as well. Here, you can close online reservations for a specific period. Then, give the break an internal name and add a note in all your active languages to explain why customers cannot book for this period. This message will be displayed in your widget if a guest tries to book a service during your vacation period. Next up, we'll explore the Resengo table plan and how it will make your work more organized than ever.